So why your competitors are growing but your business is not? What is the actual problem? What are the things that they are using in your business that you are actually not even thinking about? You will get answers of all these questions in this video. So for that, you need to stay tuned till the end. In this video, we are going to discuss about new technology of the world, that is AI and automation. What is the perfect tool that you can use to create such amazing automations, and why these automations are required in your business. So you will get answers to all of the above questions that I just told you. So first thing, what are big brands doing? They are using AI and automation in their business. They are not wasting their time. They are just focusing on the bigger aspects in their business, whereas you are still lagging behind on completing the task manually like old school. So here is where you can create setups that is going to complete your work automatically. So let's suppose I'm giving an example. You are promoting your business using Facebook lead ads. Now you are manually adding the lead that is coming in your business into your Google Sheets, and then manually you are sending the WhatsApp message towards the lead. Now sometimes a new lead is generated, you might miss out on them. That is a loss for your business. You are losing a lead for your business, right? Here is where automation occurs. If you're using an automation tool, the lead is coming in your business. Automatically, the record of the lead's details is created in Google Sheets. You will see the follow-up message towards the lead is also forwarded on WhatsApp. With that, if you want, you can add the lead's data in CRM as well as your email marketing tool. All of this can be done automatically. Every repetitive task that you're struggling with, switching between different applications, everything can be eliminated with this one automation tool that you will use for your business. And what is that best tool? The best automation tool for your business that you can use from today itself is Pabbly Connect. If you will sign up for free today itself, right now, if you're seeing this video, if you're signing up for free, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 free tasks, you can test out how automation is going to work for your business right away at this point. Now, why business needs automation? So that you save up your time, you don't have to hire a team, there are less chances of errors, and completing the repetitive task without stressing out or wasting any more of your efforts. Automation is going to reduce the stress level of managing your leads, responding towards the reviews that you receive, with that updating the database, and much more. And businesses who are current with automation are having so much easy ways to focus on the bigger aspects of their business. So I just told you what is automation, what big brands are actually using, why business actually needs automation, what is the tool with the help of which you can easily create automation. But now, what are the different automations that you can create with Pabbly Connect? That too without need of any technical coding and programming skills. So let's suppose you want to create Instagram content. But creating the content and then posting it manually is a very time-consuming part. With the help of Pabbly Connect, you can generate content with AI and automation. With that, you can create a post, create that content that you've generated as a post on your Instagram profile as well. You don't need to actually do everything manually. Just create the connection between your AI tool as well as Instagram with Pabbly Connect. The setup that you can see on the screen is actually going to do the work. Now, if you want to post the content every single day, with the help of this setup that you can see right now, you can create and post the content every single day on your Instagram profile, on your Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, created as a Pinterest pin. You can do every single thing with Pabbly Connect. Now, not just that. Next, if you want to manage the leads that is coming in your business, lead management is very important because leads are your future customers, right? So now if you want to manage the leads, not just Facebook leads, your Google Ads leads, Instagram leads, LinkedIn leads, if you want to manage all these leads, with the help of Pabbly Connect with this single tool, you can manage every single thing. New lead comes in through Facebook lead ads or Instagram lead ads, Google Ads, anything. Lead is coming, towards lead an instant WhatsApp follow-up message can be forwarded. With that, you can add the lead in Google Sheets, create a systematic record, send email towards the lead, send SMS towards the lead, and much more. Now next we are going to talk about that how you can manage reviews in your business. So if you have a Google business profile for your business, a review is coming in. If you want to automatically reply to the review, you can do that. You can simply send replies to the reviews that you receive on your profile with the help of an automation that you can see on the screen. If you want that every single review that you're receiving, automatically the data of that review should be added in Google Sheets so that you can have a systematic record of all the reviews. With the help of this setup, you can do that. With the help of AI, you can reply to all the reviews as well. And if you want to analyze the review that you're receiving, you can do this with the help of this setup as well. Managing of the reviews is done. If you are a content creator, let's suppose, you have a YouTube channel as well as you have an Instagram platform. Let's suppose if you are posting videos every single day on your YouTube channel. If you want to automatically upload your videos on YouTube channel, using the setup now, you can automatically upload your videos from Google Drive directly on your YouTube channel. You can do that. If you want every YouTube short that you're uploading should be uploaded as an Instagram reel, because sometimes content creators post Instagram reels and then manually they have to post a YouTube short as well. You can connect these two platforms and automatically post content from one platform to another platform as well. So automations like this can be created as well. Now, if you want to create automations using Gemini and ChatGPT, there are multiple automations that we have already created and posted the videos on our channel that you can create using Pabbly Connect. Sending replies, posting replies, analyzing vlogs, creating vlogs, generating images, many things can be completed by connecting ChatGPT or Gemini with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to create WhatsApp automations, that is very important. If you're receiving WhatsApp messages, automatically replying to the conversations, collecting your WhatsApp messages as a systematic record in Google Sheets, sending bulk messages from Google Sheets to WhatsApp, these automations can also be created with the help of Pabbly Connect, this one amazing tool. So you just need this tool to do all of this. I just had a conversation about main automations that you can create, but not just these. There are thousands of automations you can create with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you might be wondering, I should buy Pabbly Connect for my business and I think it will be useful. I know it will be very useful for your business because I myself has created 1,000+ automations using this application for my business as well. If you are planning to purchase Pabbly Connect, the coupon code on the left side of my screen is going to get instant discounts on the existing ones. The amazing discount is going to save the cost as well as get you an amazing application. So go ahead, use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is added in the description section below. Use this code ANGYT, get your discount, purchase Pabbly Connect and use this automation tool and complete all the repetitive tasks on your business automatically. So as I've talked about so many automations in this video, but you have a different idea on which I can create a video for you, comment down below and I'm going to create a video just according to your use case. With the help of Pabbly Connect, you can create connections between thousands of applications. There are thousands of applications integrated with Pabbly Connect. So go ahead and use Pabbly Connect right away. If you want to search Pabbly Connect, on a new tab search for www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to the landing page. So guys, this is how you can also follow the trend of the world, that is using automation in your business to complete repetitive tasks automatically. So from today, start using Pabbly Connect to automate your business. Save up a lot of time in your business and use that time to focus on different aspects and important aspects of your business from today itself, guys. Don't waste your time. Start using automation tool for your business and your work is going to be done. So this was it for this video, guys. This video was all focusing on that one tool that is going to help your business to grow to the next level. I hope you actually liked the advice that I discussed with you in this video. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this automation tool, you can comment down below and I will reply to all your queries. If you're focusing on purchasing our yearly or one-time plans of Pabbly Connect, use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code ANGYT is in the description section as well, with the help of which you will get instant and amazing discounts. So this was it for this video, guys, and thank you all so much for watching.